Railway locomotive and power set engine drivers launched a strike at midnight, citing several issues surrounding the recruitment and retirement processes. Several morning office trains were cancelled, and this severely inconvenienced passengers who were already at the Fort railway station. This was the situation near the Mirigama railway station along the main railway line, and News First correspondent said that many trains were cancelled. News First correspondent said trains plying from the Kandy railway station were operating as usual. A large number of passengers were at the Dehiwala railway station, and they too were inconvenienced. Several trains scheduled to operate along the coastal line were also cancelled. News First correspondent said that the trains that did operate were delayed, resulting in passengers being inconvenienced. News First correspondent said trains were operating as usual from the Gaul railway station. This was the situation at the Beliata railway station.